Let's make some juicy Turkish chicken. This eye was a little irritated from doing makeup. That's why I'm crying, I think, from the onion. I didn't think I was gonna cry at all because it was very rough chop. And I'm still crying, Jesus. I've seen so many comments of you guys saying to wet a paper towel and put it in between the onion and you. I was gonna do it. It was pure laziness. I honestly didn't think I was gonna cry from cutting like a rough chop of onion. It's not like I'm spending a long time on it. Lesson learned, I guess. Eyeballing everything. Olive oil. Oregano. A lot of it. Pepper. And this is my secret ingredient to make it tender. Splash of soy sauce. This is my husband's plate, and this is mine. Okay.
Needs more salt.
And we even have enough for tomorrow's lunch.
It's gonna be what people can play there.
Wow, 5,000.
But